What are the things to look out for during a rack inspection?
Thanks, Eric. That's a great question. For those that don't know, Damotech also offers inspection services, and our engineers inspect some 25 different elements as they perform an inspection. But to try to synthesize that from a macro perspective, we could try to split up those elements into four major buckets. The first one being anchors. So those are the elements that hold the racking down through the foot plate and as we say, anchor the upright into the slab. We then have uprights, beams, and we call them LARCs, so the load application and rack configuration drawing. So all the documentation that attests to the engineering behind your uprights or your system rather. So those are the kind of the four main buckets we want to look at. There's a lot of detail behind those. I would encourage anybody on the phone and the webinar today to go visit our website. We have great downloads there, content that we've covered in previous webinars, also checklists that you can use, blogs, but fundamentally, between the content that we have on a website and a macro perspective on looking out for anchors, whether they're sheared or loose, uprights to see if they're damaged in the front or back, or if the bracing that attaches the two components together are bent. Beams, of course, I think goes without saying if they're dented to whatever extent or they're missing safety pins. And of course, if you don't have the right documentation in place. So those four areas, Eric, I would say are the main areas of focus that I would want folks to look out for.